Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Zenbusiness website builder. So the first step is to simply go to Zenbusiness, then go to products and pricing, and then you're gonna have to simply select the website builder. Now simply click on start a business first. So here you're gonna have to enter your business name, select your state and click on continue. Now I'm gonna skip this for now. So here I'm going to choose lots, and then here, so let's choose this one. Now I'm going to skip the industry, then I'll point someone else. Now here we're going to have to pick this plan and then simply click on continue. So basically after we enter and we create the business and we complete the payment, we'll be able to use the website builder to create the website for our business. So basically that's all for today's video, guys. I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.